Good afternoon, good evening, YouTube. Back in the building, cuts by Dre New Styles Mobile Barber. And this is going to be one of my first reviews of the Babyliss Pro Limited FX Boost Plus Collection. A lot of words there, a lot of words. Hey, it's a beautiful clipper, I must say. I was in the beauty supply store today, Pristine beauty supply store. I went there to pick up a blade for my FXs, my original FXs. Went to go pick up a blade for this, and I seen these, and I did see them online. Didn't check out a lot of reviews about them, but I do like my Babyliss. My Babyliss, they've been performing for me. They're a little loud. I'm not a fan of how loud they have become, but I'm hoping this long word they got here, limited FX Boost Plus collection, I'm hoping they did some improvements with it, hoping that it did some improvements. We about to find out. I'm going to do this unboxing. I'm going to shoot to my intro real quick, and when we come back, we're going to get started with this unboxing.
Number one of my class.
All right, we back in the building. Cuts by Dre New Styles Mobile Barber in the back of the barbershop in our podcast studio. I'm about to do the unboxing of the Babyliss Pro Limited FX Boost Plus collection. Like I said, it's a lot of words there. We're going to unbox these things and we're going to see what they're working with. And I'm also going to do a haircut with these as well. So I don't want to take a lot of time with the unboxing. I'm sure all y'all clipper barbers out there, y'all clipper fans, y'all barbers out there, I'm sure y'all already know about these clippers. You might already seen some other unboxings. I'm going to just break you down and give you my opinion. I'm a 30-year vet in the game, over 30 years cutting hair, 30-year master barber, business owner in the shopping center. So I think I got a little bit of knowledge that I can spread, I can share, that I can help some people and help myself. So we're going to get started. One thing I do like about these, the packaging. If they didn't get nothing else right, they got the packaging right. These, I'm an Apple guy. I like the Apple iPads, the watches, the phones. Apple, I like their sleek packaging. I like this packaging. This packaging tells me that they put some time and energy not only into the clipper, which we will find out, but they really put some energy into the packaging. Got a nice little tag right here, little tag you can pull to actually take it out of the box. It's nice and tight, well put together. I'm loving what I'm seeing. You can see I love blue, couch blue, barbershop blue, smock blue. So when I seen these blue clippers, man, sitting on that black background, it almost looked like a coffin, really, like they laid up in a coffin. It looked kind of, coffinish, I can say. But it is sleek, I must say. These are some nice looking clippers. And let's see what they got them packed in here pretty tight too. I guess, okay, you got to push this lever to get them out. Yeah, they got them in here pretty good. And these are brand new to me, first time out the box, so bear with me. Oh yeah, I definitely like the feel of them. They got this nice rubber grip on the bottom. Man, I'm really liking that. And the dock, the charging dock, something that the first FX didn't come with. I'm really feeling that charging dock too. Also has a rubber base around it. Yo, I'm really liking that. I'm really liking that rubber. I'm liking that black rubber there. The Babyliss logo is in rubber. One thing about these old ones, I cut a lot of heads, and back in the day they had gold plated chains and stuff that was real popular back in the 90s. These clippers look like they gold plated as well, because the gold is definitely fading off of my gold FXs. They about to be white FXs in a minute. So I'm hoping that this beautiful blue doesn't fade or chip like this one. I'm hoping that it doesn't. We'll find out. only can tell you that with time. I had to come back and do a review 6 months from now and see if it still looks this beautiful. But it definitely is a nice solid clipper. Feels good in my hand. Sits in the dock. Let me see if this one fits in the dock as well. Did they allow you to charge this one as well? Well, it fits in there. It feels like it. No, it's a little wobbly. I'm not sure if they. Yeah, both of them kind of. This one is a little bit more snug, and it's probably because of the rubber grip around it. But it does look like that might charge it. I'll let you know when I get them out there on my station. It looks like your old FX mic can fit in here and charge as well. So while you're cutting with one, you could be charging the other. Or you could use the cord as well. But I like that. That's looking real sleek. Let's pull the edges out. And they really got these things packed nice and tight. You know, their packaging is good. If the clippers are anything like the packaging, wow, we got a winner here. These are some beautiful clippers. One thing about being a barber, barbering is an artistic, creative profession. You know, so you got to feel good about yourself. If you feel good about yourself, and that's in anything really, if any of y'all guys out there been athletes before or are currently athletes, if you feel good about yourself, if you look good, you got a good haircut, you got the right uniform on, you love your jersey, or you just going to work and you love that suit, that tie, you love them colors, it's going to make you feel good. It's going to make you perform better. And one thing about these clippers, they look good. I think they're actually going to make me cut better, you know, because they just look that good. Now, wow, this blade, whew, I can feel it, and it's pretty, it's already sharp to the touch. You know, I don't even know if I had a zero gap this or not, but pulling these, you know, all of the plastics off, I'm really loving this clipper. I'm really loving this clipper. I hope the video is getting a good, you know, is letting you see this real good in this video. I am really loving this clipper so far. This unboxing so far, looking real good. These blades, okay, that's that groove blade they were talking about. Now, what is that going to do as far as the haircut? I'm not sure. But I can say that it's the blade seems a little thinner. Seems a little thinner than the original, and it is. It's a lot thinner, actually. It's a lot thinner than the original one. So once I get out on the floor, you know, that's going to be a test, you know. Are these going to be my go-to clippers or not? I love the way they look, but they do have their differences. You know, it's new, it's improved. It's a plus version. So I guess maybe this old blade, they said, hey, we're going to go to something different. One thing about myself, I'm a kind of a fast barber, and I don't want to say I cut too fast, but I'm a moderately fast barber. And if you get a clipper like the fade blades, for instance, the straight blades, if you're kind of fast, you know, and that blade, that straight blade, not the taper blade, but the fade blade that's straight, you can snag your customer's hair on that if you're a quick barber and you fade kind of fast. So I've always stayed away from that fade blade. I always like the taper one, and this does have a tapered curve to it, but it is mighty thin. Don't look like it can take a dropping either. You drop that baby one time, and it looks like that's over with. Let's see what else comes in the box. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed, especially with the price point. I picked these up actually today for $300. They were on sale at the beauty supply store that I went to. Black owned, by the way, in Virginia, Newport News, Virginia. Pristine beauty supply store. I want to give y'all a big shout out. These were on sale for $300. I haven't seen them at that price anywhere. They give you chargers for both so that you can plug in straight to the back of the clippers and to the charger dock. Wow, that's nice. And what is this? Not exactly sure. What, that's so shiny, it looks like it was plastic on the bottom. They got hooks on them so you can hang them up on your station or sit them in the dock. That's nice. I got to do my homework and do some reading because I don't know exactly what this is right here. It looks like another base. Got some screws in here too that I don't want to lose. So before I pull that out, this is going to be a quick unboxing, y'all. You know, I'm not even sure exactly what these are yet. I haven't read the directions, but comes with both clippers. It looks like it's the bottom piece for both of them. Maybe it's a replacement. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe if you want to put a black bottom on it instead of the blue. Not 100% sure what's that about. But, you know, I found out. It comes with your standard oil in here, your brush, okay, your guard protection, your blade protection. Comes with the nice tool set. I like that they give you a little Phillips thing so you can work on your clippers. You don't got to run to the you know, home Lowe's or anything and get you a tool set, or go, you know, get you a cheap tool set somewhere. They actually come with what you need. I really like that. And they come with guards. Wow. That's great too. They come with guards. And one thing that's good about that, I lost one of my guards. So now, you know, I got another set. So that's actually good. And they come in with, I thought it was 2 of them, but no. It's not 2 of them, but they come with, you know, a full guard set, which is great. I needed that. Over here again, you got you some more oil. You got your tool to zero gap. Hey, these are, I'm liking what I'm seeing. You know, for the price point, you can't beat that. Pretty much $150 a piece. I paid about $239 for these, but of course it was when they first came out years ago. Now you're talking about $150. Rubber grip, a charging base, and a cord, and a nice blade. So hey, I'm impressed so far. I'm impressed so far. This unboxing looking pretty good. I want to show y'all one thing old school. You guys out there, when you're adjusting your clippers, go get you a magnifying glass. If you don't have one, ask your grandma, your mom, somebody in your family might already have one. Somebody that like to sew, they got a sewing machine around. I have an embroidery business, so I got this from my embroidery business. But if you don't have one, you can pick one of these up at your office supply store or your craft store. Pick you up. These are very important when you're trying to adjust and zero gap your clippers, because I don't care how good your eyes is, they're not better than a magnifying glass. And when you zero gapping your clippers, you can actually, you know, put them behind that magnifying glass and you can see exactly where that blade is. And you never want that cutting blade to go over, you know, the back blade, because then you'll cut your clients up. So you want to make sure that that blade does not go over, the bottom blade don't go over the top one. And the precise way to do that is to get you a good magnifying glass. Once you zero gap them, hold that magnifying glass up there and make sure that it's not over, and you'll have you a perfect cutting edge. So that's one tip that I give all y'all out there. I gave y'all that for free. Go get your magnifying glass, and hey, we're gonna go to work with that. So right now, I'm impressed with what I see so far. Comes with everything in the box. I'm gonna read up on these and see what these are about. Hey, if anybody want to make a comment, let me know so I don't have to read. You know, I ain't a big reader, but you know, I do like to watch videos. So if anybody want to throw a comment in there, let me know what these here are. Oh, you know, I see what that is right now. That's actually an extra lever. Wow. Okay, that's new. They actually come with an extra lever. So I guess it's like a blackout kit. If you wanted to put a black lever on the side and put a black base and not have it blue, I guess, or if it breaks, I guess you could change it out. That's what it looks like. Let me know, y'all. Let me know, y'all. If people out there, I'm sure y'all already know. And also let me know how much these replacement blades cost. That's one thing about these clippers. The blades are kind of expensive. I went to pick up a blade for this one today. Blades cost so much. I seen these, I was like, wow, okay. $50 for a new blade, $300 for 2 clippers and 2 blades. I was like, okay, you know, if you do the math, and you come out better getting you a whole new set. I understand $50 is a lot less cheaper than $300. But if you do the math, you're getting brand new fresh blades, 2 brand new fresh braids, and I'm getting 2 brand new fresh clippers, newer versions. I went ahead and copped them, so I'm hoping I did the right thing. We're going to go out there on the floor, and we're going to do a haircut with these. I'm going to walk you through the haircut and tell you how these things perform. So, yeah, this is Dre, Cuts by Dre, New Styles Mobile Barber. Make sure you like me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube. You know, I'm trying to drop content on a weekly basis. Like I said, I'm a 30-year vet in the game. I got a lot of knowledge out there to give back to people. I'm a business owner, so I got a lot of knowledge out there to give to potential business owners. A lot of barbers left my shop and opened up their own businesses. So I can definitely help people with knowledge on getting started in your own business. So check out the channel. I'm going to have videos on all of that. So, hey, I want to thank you for checking me out for this unboxing. And I'm about to go out there on the floor. We're going to do this haircut and probably in the same video. If this went too long, I might split the video up. But if not, in the same video, I might just show you the haircut in the same video, all right? Thanks for checking this out. Check out the haircut.